final greenest grass rider, number 143, Murphy, ridden by Cassidy Claymeyer. This is our final greenest grass rider.
No, don't do it. Oh, she did it. She did it. She did it.
See, Catherine, we have to do that.
We're not doing that. But we'll.
Yay, Cass!
Come on, Murph.
Come on, Murph.
Come on. Come on. Murphy, come on.
There you go.
Yeah. Good boy. Come on, Murphy. She said, yeah, he's got 2 speeds, stop and
yeah.
fast. Yeah.
Christy told her to go slow. You know that little Twinkle Bell pixie dust horse over there?
Yeah.
She said you can go as slow as that.
Yeah.
That little pony.
Matter. They didn't ring the bell yet.
No, I heard the whistle.
Beautiful. Oh, you did hear it?
Yeah, right when she was coming in the chute.
Come on, Mike. Good boy.
Oh boy. Girl, sis. You look great. Take your time.
Pretty. It's pretty. He's fluid, isn't he?
Mm-hmm. There you
He
go.
looks good on him. Come on, good.
Yay.
Good job. Come on, Murph.
There you
Good
go.
boy.
One more.
Yep. It's this one, isn't it? This one?
Yeah, I think so.
Or,
I don't know.
there, straight ahead.
Straight ahead. Go, go, go. Hey. Yay, Cassidy!
Our greenest grass stadium.
Cassidy, yes! She looked gorgeous.
Good, awesome. Beautiful.
Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, yeah.
Way to go, sis.
Hey, Cassidy, yes! Beautiful, honey. You look great, and you know, it was just perfect. It was smooth and
Cassidy, it looks so good. Good job, Murphy.